the cities of Devil's Lake and Fort Totten until 5:30 this afternoon. Edmore is also included in this warning as well. The primary hazards within this warning right now are quarter-size hail and gusts up to 60 miles per hour. And we've got a sky cam in Devil's Lake, so I'm going to show that for just a second. We've been watching some dark clouds roll in, a few strikes of lightning at times. It's just to the west of town in Devil's Lake, so we'll be watching this roll in here over just the next couple of minutes. But I want to go over just a couple of things that we've been seeing this afternoon. So this severe thunderstorm warning for Devil's Lake area continues again until 5:30 this afternoon. Current time is 4:51 for quarter-size hail and gusts up to 60 miles per hour. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning in Stutsman County for quite a while that was allowed to cancel or be expired at 4:45, but there is a flood advisory. According to the National Weather Service, minor flooding is ongoing and still expected in this area highlighted in green. So Woodsworth, Pingree down into Medina. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen, and additional rainfall amounts up to about an inch are still expected. So we're looking at some minor flooding in low-lying areas and those poor draining areas. Looking at the bigger picture on radar, let me zoom out here. We've been watching these thunderstorms primarily across eastern North Dakota, and I'll turn off lightning. There is a lot of lightning within these storms, so that's another hazard as well. This storm here, again, while it's no longer severe, it's still likely producing some gusty winds and even potentially some small hail. But we're watching now this line here to produce some gusty winds and some small hail. We had a confirmed tornado earlier this afternoon that was near Woodsworth, south of Woodsworth. So we had a public report of a tornado just south of Woodsworth, persisted for about 10 minutes before becoming rain-wrapped. That warning has since long expired, and we're currently not seeing that tornado threat, but we're still keeping close eyes on this entire area shaded in yellow. That's that level 2 out of 5 risk for severe, and it includes our entire viewing area aside from Rowlett County. Rowlett County, you're in that level 1 out of 5 risk for severe. So we're kind of just getting started tonight. We're still looking at an elevated wind threat across the entirety of our region. We could see some gusts between 60 to 70 miles per hour. These storms are going to become more linear this afternoon and more so this evening, producing that high wind threat. We still have the hail threat as well across the entirety of the region for quarter-sized hail to egg-sized hail. So we're talking 1 inch to 2 inches, and an inch and a half is ping pong ball size hail. 1 3/4 inches is golf ball size hail. Now, while the tornado threat remains low, it does still remain possible for a few more hours. The best chance, the areas highlighted in green, the areas in black on the edges there, not seeing any risk for a tornado. So one more quick check of the radar, and then I'll get you back to golf and not take up too much more of your time here. But we're kind of just getting started with things for this evening. We're still watching this line of storms from the Devil's Lake Basin down into the James River Valley. So myself here tonight, meteorologist Joseph Williams is over there. He'll be in here tonight as well. We'll continue to track the storms. Eric Whitehill is out on the road as well. But for now, we'll get you back to your regular programming.
For coverage, download the free Valley News Live weather app.